Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, hi, hope you stick around and consider subscribing. Alright, so before we get started, I just want to say I hope you guys are having a lovely day. So in today's video, we will be doing a unboxing. I want to give away from Maggie's journals. I will be linking her channel below. Please go check her out and show her some love. Also, I'm going to try to figure out to see if I can link her Etsy down below. She is so super talented. She sells journals that she crafts herself, and she also sells some really cute knickknacks, so definitely check her out, you guys. Alright, so I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy the video. So when I opened up my congratulation card, I was really happy to see the little piece of paper with my name on it, but I asked her for it specifically because I want to keep it for my memories and I wanted it to journal. And Maggie, if you are watching this video, thank you so much too for your support, and thank you so much for my card. I absolutely love it.